Houston attorneys for offshore injuries. An offshore accident lawyer fights for you, rights anytime you suffer an accidental injury on any type of vessel on the sea. The incident may occur on a ship of some sort, an offshore platform, on a dock, or on a helicopter transporting crew from and to land. It is important that you hire a Houston offshore accident lawyer that will thoroughly investigate to claim the determine who is liable and what laws apply. Call Siemens and Fletcher PC injury and accident lawyers for a free consultation regarding your offshore injury claim. We work on a contingency fee basis so that you pay nothing upfront and no attorney fees unless we make a recovery in your case. Call us at 888 998 1943 today. Investigating the offshore injury claim. To determine which law applies, you need an offshore accident lawyer who will thoroughly investigate the claim. Very detailed records and logs are kept by the companies in charge of offshore vessels. These records must be obtained and reviewed to determine whether proper procedures were followed. Moreover, in serious injury cases, nothing tells the story better than going to the scene and conducting an inspection. At Simmons and Fletcher, PC, we can investigate the scene and retrain and bring experts as required to get a full picture of what caused an event. What law applies to an offshore accident? There is a large body of state and federal law applying to offshore accident claims. These includes Longshoremen's and Harbor Works Act, Jones Act, State Personal Injury Law, and federal tort claims. Trying to navigate these laws without an offshore accident attorneys is like trying to pilot the seas without a map. Longshoremen's and Harbor Worker Compensation Act. Under 43 United States Code Section 1333 subsection B and C, Congress extended the Longshoremen's and Harbor Workers Compensation Act to cover employees other than master members of any crew or vessel who are working on the outer continental shelf in the exploration and the development of natural resources. This is what is known as the Outer Continental Shelf Lands Act. It provides for the payment of compensation for disability or death suffered while working on navigable waters in the United States. It is effectively workers' compensation for certain marine workers and many dock workers that are not otherwise covered by the Jones Act. What is Jones Act? The Jones Act provides certain protections to workers on sea vessels, which include jackup rigs and oil rigs that are not attached to the ocean floor, such as floating oil rigs and drill ships. Under the Jones Act, covered employees can recover for pain and suffering, disability, medical expenses, and lost wages. The workers' offshore injury lawyer must show that the damages suffered were caused by the negligence of the employer. However, unlike all other areas of law, the burden of proof under the Jones Act is lower than normal. It is considered as the featherweight burden because you must only tilt the scales of justice in your favor by a featherweight to win This gives the injured worker and his offshore accident lawyer a major advantages.